Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Here in this video I will give you very interesting math puzzles, very easy and new puzzles. Can any one of you solve this math puzzle in a few seconds? Here I have 7 math puzzles for you. Can you solve these puzzles in a few seconds? Okay, I will give you one by one puzzle and you will answer these puzzle in my comment section. Thank you for joining again. Okay, now starting from my first puzzle. Okay, I'm repeating this puzzle in front of you. 3 plus 2 is equal to 43. 4 plus 3 is equal to 54. 5 plus 4 is equal to 65. Then what should be the value of 6 plus 5? Can you solve this number puzzle in a few seconds? I am giving you some time to solve this puzzle. If you solve this puzzle, then answer in the comment section. Okay, great. If you have solved this puzzle, then answer in the comment section. Now shifting to my next puzzle. Okay, great. My very easy and interesting puzzle is B plus F is equal to 26. B minus F is equal to 6. Then what should be the value of B multiplied by F? I am giving you a hint for this puzzle. First, you have to find out the value of B and F by our first equation. Our second equation will also help us to find the value of B and F. When we have found both values, then we will simply substitute these values in my required equation. Then we get the answer in a few seconds. Okay, great. If you have solved this puzzle, then answer in the comment section. Okay, now shifting to my next puzzle. Okay, my very easy and interesting puzzle is 1 is equal to 20, 2 is equal to 40, 3 is equal to 60. Then what should be the value of 8? Can any one of you solve this puzzle in a few seconds? Okay, great. Shifting to my next puzzle. Okay, my very easy and interesting puzzle is square root of 81 divided by double square root of 81. Can you solve this puzzle in a few seconds? If you have solved this puzzle, then answer in the comment section. Okay, great. Shifting to my next puzzle. My very easy and interesting puzzle here is okay, great. My puzzle is 6 plus 2 within brackets multiply by 10 minus 8 within brackets is equal to question mark. Can you answer this puzzle in a few seconds? Okay, great. Shifting to my next puzzle. Okay, my very easy and interesting puzzle is P plus P plus P is equal to 24. P plus E is equal to 28. Third equation E plus B is equal to 24. Then what should be the value of E plus B multiplied by P? Can any one of you solve this puzzle in a few seconds? If you are still here, please hit the subscribe button and like this video and share it with your friends. Thanks for being here. Okay, great. Shifting to my next last puzzle. This is my last puzzle of this video. Okay, this is my last puzzle. Square root x plus square root 2 is equal to 32. Then what should be the value of x? Can you answer this puzzle in a few seconds? Okay, great. If you have enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Thanks for being here. Take care yourself, stay connected and keep watching Geomath 26. Allah Hafiz.